Hello guys, today I'm going to show you something like good thing so we did Cisco router, right, in our class also. So this is I just talking about my classmate, right, but everyone can use this one. So we didn't have a lab right now, but you can use the kind of lab. I will show you how to do that. Okay, so if you want to practice on Cisco commands, so you can do here. So that is free. You can download that and do it. Okay, so for that, so what do we want to do? So just download Cisco packet tracer download. Just type this one, 64 MB, right? This one, and go to a Cisco Networking Academy here. Okay, just click here, right? And here you can log in if you have already your account here. But if you don't have that, you have to sign up that. Okay, so for that you have to go to here and just click this one, view course here. Okay, just click here and then click the skill for all here, right? And after that, when this one is display, and go to resume course here, just click here. And after that you have to go to download Cisco packet tracer here, right? Go a little bit down, 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 down. Okay, and here say overview of a Cisco packet tracer. After your Cisco packet tracer, following the instruction is the following. Okay, so just go to here, click here. I already sign up here, so that's why it show me already sign in here, right? See here. So if I go to sign out, this log out here, so because I already signed this one, so this is easy one, right? You can do that, right? So and just go to uh you know just click login here. If you don't have anything sign up here, just click here, this one, just sign up here, right? Just sign up everything here, Google accounts, what do you want to do, so you can do that. Okay, so just figure out this one and just log in. Okay, everything is easy, so that you can do. I think sign up here, everything. So just put your Google account here. Okay, and just country, right? And your just bought, you can put any birthday yours, make a 20 years more, so it's easy. Okay, I'm going to log in because I have already login account, so I'm going to log in this one. So this is my password here already. I log in, right? This is login. So after that, what you want to do, just go to I'm going to here again, and then go to what is that? I'm going to, maybe they can, sometimes they give here. Okay, they didn't give this here. And actually I have a one site here that is a Cisco packet tracer here. I'll go here. I'll put that this link in under the your this my YouTube channels there, right? There is this is one link here directly, this one, so you can go here too if you can download from after sign up, but you have to sign up that. Okay, without sign up and login you can do that. So after that, this one is come here. Okay, so here, this side here, so this one I will put on a description box. Okay, so just copy this one, I will put this one on my somewhere, so I will put that later. Okay, so I will give you to that. Okay, and then you can see after that you can click this Windows 64 here, just because if you have a Mac you can use this one, Ubuntu you can use this one. Okay, Windows, I have this one, Windows, I click here, right? Because I have already this one download, that's why it's give me find one already here, right? So because I have already downloaded this one, just click this one, check it out here. So this one, just double click, right? Double click and just upload this one. I mean, like install this one, okay? Because I already installed this one, so it's easy one. So just S and next and next. That's it. Okay, it's easy. Okay. So after that, what do you do? When this one is installed, everything, so you can just go and search your Cisco packet pressure like this app, right? Or you can make this one is in on your desktop also, okay? So just click, double click here or just click here. When this one is open, you can see this like this, okay? So here is everything you can do, very important and very useful for networking, right? And for IT people, so who is just learning Cisco, they can use this one. And you can see here live everything, okay? I will show you how to do that, okay? So before that, I will just give you a little bit this configuration here, right? So main thing is here, say here, right? So this side, see here, this is giving the tip also, right? Here, network devices, this one is a network devices here. So this is all network devices. This is our router, okay? So when you click here, this is a router, see, name is router. And when you go here, see, this is switch, right? This is switch. And this one hubs, this one's wireless devices, right? When you click, so you can see here, okay? And this one security, see over here. And this one is a wine, right? So you can see like this. So mostly I'm going to show you this one. And here, if you need devices, see in devices, so you can say PC, laptop, server, right? Anything. So what do you want here from phone, BIP, right? So here, table, tablet, TV, everything is here. And this one is a components a little bit, right? And this one is our main thing, like connections, right? See, you can see the wires here. See here, the name is come here, okay? See, console. This is a wire, right? This one is automatic. You can if you choose this one, if you choose this one, automatically choose the connection type. Okay, I will show you what is this one. Okay, and this one, see here, copper string. So you can check here. Okay, so fiber, mostly I use this one because we don't have to use this all. So you can use directly this one. Okay, this one is give you automatic choose connection type. So what is that? I will show you. Okay, and this is just other laptop, PC, and you can just use this one, right? This is a multi-user connection, say. Okay, so this is a normal outlook here, right? So and then, so what is a logical and what is physical, I'll show you too. And here is you can just check it out. This one is a selection, right? This is a make a infection type, or make a big and small. So this is delete, so resize, so everything is here, see? So you can check here. Okay, so we use this one and this one mostly, otherwise this is a save button, this is normal, right? Everything. So I will show you how to do this. Okay, so and I will show you also how to use the Cisco command here. So how to use that. So here, see, real time and simulation also here, so you can use this one too. So okay, so we'll see a little bit there, right? Okay, first of all, what I do, I will use the these network devices and go to router. So router here, see, you can use any router here. So mostly I want to go to use the one router here. Which one is a good one here? Okay, I will go to, okay, this one. Okay, no problem. I select this one and just click here, so you can see that router. Okay, like this. Okay, so and then if you want to use the another one, you just click and drag like this also, you can do that too. Okay, so you can do both way, right? So one is, if you don't want, so just select and delete this one. Yes, delete, select, click here, select and delete like this. Done, right? So okay, I just want to use the this one router. Okay, and I just put here this router. This is our main router, right? Okay, and then I want to use some computer. Okay, so this one is an end user, so this is a PC, right? See, laptop, server. I want to use this one, PC here, one laptop here. This is PC, right? This is server, right? You can use that like this. Okay, and I want to use one more laptop here like this. Okay, so I use this one, right? And then put like this here. You can move anyone anywhere, right? Okay, okay, now how to connect this one? So you need like in here, one switch also, right? So I want to go to use the like in a switch. This is switch. Okay, click here, and just like 2960, I use this one switch. I put here, right, like this. Okay, I put the switch here. Now we have to connect, right, to the wire, so we have Ethernet wire, so that we have to connect. So this for that, so you have to use this connection. Okay, just click here, and just click this one. This one, already said here, see in this side console, so it says automatic choose connection type, right? Just click this one, and just see here this, this mouse, pointer is like separate, right? It's just like in a connection type, right? Just click here and just pull here. Is when you click here, so it is automatically connect. Okay, this is connect now. So check it out. One thing is, check it out here. This is a red here, right? Red, red, red. Okay, so what is this? I will show you, okay, later. And this is the name here. See, gig 000, right? Router, FA01, right? So this is a name here. See, it's giving the name for us, right? So if you didn't see this name like this, so you have to go to option and preference, right? And here is a thing. See, always show port label in logical workspace. If I off this one, see, this one is out, right? When you on this one is out. Come here. Okay, so you can do that. Okay, so you can put the like a sound also if you want. Otherwise, this one is a little bit like noisy, so that's why I take out this one. Okay, just like put this always show port label in logical workspace. Okay, I just like to close this one. Okay, now I'm going to add this all, okay, wire. Okay, so I just click this one, and from here to just click here and just click here. Okay, so here this one is also connecting, right? So this one, and next one just click. Okay, one time, when you one time click just for the one device, right? So next time you have to click again. Okay, just click here and just pull here and click. This automatically join. See here, FA0, right? And next time click here and click and pull here and click. See, join, right? Click, click, and click. See, this easy, right? So this is our diagram here, right? So this is our network. Okay, we made this network all here, but this is just like logical side. See here, logical. Okay, when I click like in a physical, when I click physical, this one show you like home city, right? Home city. So if you want to like click anywhere here in city, just click, say, corporate office, right? Okay, so I will click this corporate office. Click here. See, these things are inside this main wiring closes, right? So if you want to like take this all thing like inside the office, so also I will show you like how to move this laptop inside the office. Okay, so for that, so check it out, just my mouse. Okay, so here this is a one move in buttons here. So just click this one and click here. When you click, so this will show you like move or like home city, something like that. Okay, so I will show you one more time. Okay, if you click without click this one, select this one, so this one is just select giving you like in this kind of like interface dialog box. Okay, so but when you click this one first, click here and then click on here. See here, this one is like a change the like a mouse pointer, right? So kind of like moving count button, right? Just click now and it will give you like this kind of menu. Okay, so just click this one first, and after that click here and home, and go to corporate office and move to main writing cost. Okay, this one wiring closes, sorry, so wiring closes here. When you click this one, see, this one is go inside this main wiring closes. Okay, close it. Okay, close it. Sorry, close it. And here also, so this one, when you click here and click this one too. Okay, home city, corporate, move. Okay, this one also go inside, and one more time, click here, home city, corporate, and here, right? So everything comes here now. Now everything's come, yes, here I click here, so this one, see here, this one, desktop computer to laptop computer. And you can see here, this is a router, right? See a room, zoom a little bit more. So when you click here, and you can click here too, so you can see the these kind of things. So when I zoom this one, see here, you can see the this wire also, see here. So how to this join, right? See, this one is joining, right? Here is like rack, right? Power distributions, right? And a router, so, and server. See, everything is, you can see easily. See here, this one is connected, right? This laptop and this desktop also connected. So now what we do in logical, I came here too, right? See here, this one is a physical, this one is a logical. Okay, now is the main interesting place here. Okay, so what I do now, I want to give this router, and this is switch hour, right? This is, I will give the name also. Okay, so when you put the name, so just place the like a note here. This one is click that is note, and just click here, and you can put name here, router. Just, you can, just for the like remember. Okay, so this is a router, and this is our server, right? See, already wrote here server, but this one is a switch, right? So you can put like that. If you want to move this one, just select like this, and you can move. Okay, like this. Okay, and you can move like this. Okay, it's easy, right? So I want to give like this router, this is router hour, right? So what I do, I will give here this router IPs. Okay, so I will give 192 192.168. This is in local, okay, locally. So I'm doing this one LAN. Okay, 0.1. This is our router IPs like this. Okay, so let's see, like this is our, actually we have a 192.168.0.0 like this. Okay, so this is our network, right? I'll just write down here network, and this is our network, and this is our router first IPs, right? Is 01. What I do now, so I will give for this IPs, just I'm writing here just like IPs. Okay, so I will show you how to figure out that. Okay, I will show you that later. Okay, I just want to write down here 192.168.0.2. I'm giving this for the 2, this server hour, right? So for this laptop, I'm giving 192.1. Just I want to give like just like static right now. Later I will show you like how to give the like dynamic also. Okay, 192.168.0 dot. Let's give 100 here. Okay, dot 100. Okay, next one here I want to give 192.168.0 dot 101, and this one 192.168.0.102 like this. Okay, now so how to like configure these things. Okay, so this is our router, this is server, this is our client. Okay, now what I do, I will go and click here, see, you can see that, right? And here is a configure. See here, this is a configure, right? This is in a backside our router devices, right? When you check it out here, you can give the name here. See, display name router 2 right here is already here, but like this one is not showing, that's why I'm giving here, right? So you can give router to anything. Okay, and this one you can set up this one here, settings, and setting router, where is the, this is Ethernet, see here, this is we need later. Okay, and this is static here, right? Network, static network marks, and everything is here right now. And here we can give that these things. Okay, so I will because we learn like in a CLI, right? This is, we have a CLI, we can give this CLI, IPs from here. Okay, guys, so forget before that diagram, right? So let's see like this new diagram, I mean like questions here, right? So we have to going to make the like new network. So the network is like design a network in Cisco packet tracer to connect marketing and department and sales department through the following. Okay, so each department should be like should contain the at least two computers. Okay, let's see, make that two computer first. Okay, here I'm going to click this one is this network device, right? So let's see, this device, I'm going to click here and then just click this one. So this is our router, right? This is our router. And what I do next one is let's put the like a switch here. Switch is here, right? Switch and 2060 switch, this one I'm going to put switch here. And one more switch I want to use here, right? This is suppose one is like marketing area, one is like a sales area. Okay, so let's put the name on here too. This one is marketing department, right? And next one is sales department. Okay, now so what I do now, I'll just make this in a center like this, right? And let's choose the like computer here. Just put this laptop here, right? I'm going to choose the laptop, one laptop here, and a second laptop here, and one is printer. Okay, this printer here. Okay, same way I want to do this, say here too, 1 2 and printer. Okay, just put like that. Okay, okay, now let's connect this one. Okay, because we have a question here too, right? Appropriate number switches and router, right? Switches, we have to switches here, right? And this one is here, and connect using the appropriate cable. Okay, let's cable. So this one I will show you later. Okay, and cable, this one, choose this one is automatic. Just click this one and click here and click this here. That's it, done. This is a red here, remember this one. Okay, so what is that means later I will tell you. Click here and click here. That's it, done, right? This is gig 000, gig 0001, right? This is two network here. Okay, okay, now I'm going to click here and connect this one. Click here, connect this one, click here again, and connect this printer. Okay, so I make a one network here, one network here. Okay, so one is here, go click here, one more time, click here and click here, one more time, click here and click here. Okay, this is one or two network here right now. This is a marketing department, this is sales department, right? So here this two. Okay, now let's put the like one circle here. Is easy to like understand, right? Outline, this one is okay, and the fill color, let's put the color is green color. Okay, this is a green color. I want to put this one is a marketing department. Okay, this is the market department. Next one is select color. Okay, this one type. Okay, this is our next department. Okay, this is a sales department, right? This is sales department, this is our marketing department. Okay, we have two department here right now. Okay, now so what I do now, so this is our main router, right? So this router we have to like first configure first. Okay, so that's why I'm going to click here this router. Okay, and here let's see this router. We have a this kind of our network address is this 192.168.20.0. Okay, so I make here two network, one network, two network, right? So network ID is this one, right? So this is our network ID. This one is okay. I put here 40. Okay, 40. Okay, this is 192.168.40.0, right? So here also 192, this is our first network, right? Network ID. This means subnet mask will be this one, right? This is our subnet mask, and usable range is 192.168.40.1 and 192.168.40.126, and this is our broadcast ID, right? So 0 to 127 is 128, right? Total. So, and here also in network 2, in network side, next you can write here, this one is a marketing, right? And this one is our sales. Okay, so it's easy to understand. Okay, now this department DPT, this one also DPT. Okay, this is a marketing department, this is a sales department. Let's here also like see here, this is our 192.168.40.128 because here 27, right? So it's starting from 128, and next subnet max is like 255.250.128, right? And then same is a subnet max, same, and usable is like a 129 because here is 129, right? This is a network, this is our broadcast is last 255, right? And this is our network ID, and usable is like 129 to 254. Let's configure this one in our router first. Okay, so what I do, first of all here, let's put this one this side and it's easy to understand, right? Okay, now I will go to configure this one, right? This is our router, right? You can see here names, everything is a router 0, this is a router, right? So here is a router giga, one interface is like a one interface here, one interface here. Okay, so that's why this is a red right now, right? Both side is red. So when we connect this one, so using the like command here, this will come to like a green. Okay, so let's see that. This one is okay, this is okay, no problem. I don't want to like change this one again. Okay, now I put this one in top here, click here, so this one is always come to top. Okay, so now command line, here is a command line, so just enter here, so you can go to like in router here. Okay, so when we click there, you can see there is a we have some our command, right? So just like enable, right, like this. Okay, so sometime you can see like this, would you like to enter this in the configuration, you can just like type no. Okay, here no. Okay, now here I will go to enable here and then config terminal, right? Otherwise you can see config t also like this. Okay, same thing, config terminal or config t is same. Okay, so now we're going to like inside the config. Okay, so going to configure the like our router. Okay, so first of all I will do so IP interface brief. Okay, this is BR means brief. Enter. You can see here, this is a gigabyte Ethernet 000, gigabyte Ethernet 001, right? And gigabyte Ethernet 002. We are going to do this two only. Okay, so here is a down these two, we have to up this two network. Okay, this two side network side is interface side is we have to up. So for that, what I do, I will go here and then I will type the like first int range, right? And I will type gig 0 0 and just like slash and 1 both. Okay, this both 0 1 0 and 0 1 1. Okay, just enter here like this, right? It's range right now. Now what I do, I will give the like first gig range. Okay, int gig 0/0/0. Okay, enter. I will go for the this one first. Okay, here this is still like down, right? So what I do, no short, enter. When I go to check that, this one is up, see, right? Okay, just use this one first, right? Okay, this one we have to give the like our IPs, right? IP address, what is our IP address? Our IP address is here. See, our IP address is first is we are going to configure this department, right? IP address is like here, right? 192.168.40.1. so like here 192.168.40.1, right? Then what is our max, subnet max? 255.255.255.128, right? This is our max, subnet max. Okay, let's don't put this one, okay, the bottom one, just like first one only, this one. Okay, and then enter. Okay, this one is done. Now I will go to save this one, do wr mem. Okay, it's saved. Now see, this one is done, one, and next one I have to opt this one, right? Just like use the like a same command, just put here one, right? Enter. Okay, go for the like this one, and use like a no shut down, right? Okay, now I want to show you that again. Check it out here, these both are up, right? See, up, up. Now this one is also up, this one also up. Now we can configure here too. Okay, so I'm going to inside here, right? And then IP, we have IP already here, right? So I can use that, this one, see, and then just change the, because this one is same, this subnet max same, but only we have to change 129 here, because see here, this IP is starting from like the 129, right? So we can use this one. Before we use like one, right? Here one, and right now is 29, right? So this IP address is starting from this one, and we have a this subnet max. Just enter this one, right? And do mem, sorry, wr mem, right? Memory. Okay, this one is also done. Okay, now just like exit from here, and then you can do what do you do, so start, right? When you do this one, you can see here, see, IP address for like giga ethernet 000 has like this one, right? This is good. And another one is a giga ethernet 001 has like this one, right? And it's good also. Okay, now so I will go out from here, right? And then now our two sides, see here, this side has green, right? Both side. Now before we had a red. Now I'm going to like check this on here. Okay, so I will go and put the IPs for this laptop one. Okay, click here, because later we have to ping from here to here, here to here. Okay, just for the like this network is working properly. Okay, just click here. Okay, now go to desktop here and IP config here, right? And then because I'm going to do this marketing, right? Marketing site. So I'm not making like a DSCP right now, just like static. I'm going to give the static here. IPs 192.168.40. Let's give this one for 5. Okay, 5. And then subnet mask, very important, 128, right? And gateway 192.168.40.1. Everybody know that we don't have a DNS server right now because we didn't make any server, right? So that's why you don't have to use anything here, right? So let's put the this one is close, and let's, for this one, I'm going to desktop here and IP config here and static 192.168.40.6. Okay, subnet max 128, and here gateway 192.168.40.1. That's it, right? Close this one. And for the printer also, I'm giving the one static IP here for this one. Okay, here is static, right? One here. I will give the 192.168.40.7. Okay, subnet max is 128, and here I have to give, where is that, settings, static gateway is 192.168.40.1, right? Like this. That's it. For the printer also, we set up the everything here, right? Close this one. Now I'm going to set up the this laptop, this sales department. Okay, just click here, and then go to desktop and IP config, and this side we have a 192.168.40.129 is starting, right? 129, and the subnet max 192.168.40.129. This address is already gone. Okay, so I will give 192.168.40.30. Okay, I give the 30, 128, and gateway is 192.168.40.128, right? This is our another subnet, another a network ID, right? See this one, this I'm using this one here. Our network ID is our gateway, right? See here. So we didn't have anything here, so that's why I'm going to use for the next one. Close this one, and here I'm going to do same way, 192.168.40.131. okay, and here I will give 128, 192.168.40. 192.168.40. What is that? 128, right? This is our gateway for this department, right? Okay, now this one I want to close again, and here I want to give him gateway is 192.168.40.128, and here IPs is 192.168.40.132. okay, I give this one subnet max 128. I think I didn't give the subnet max here, maybe. Okay, this one is copy. I will put here this one for this one, right? Is just for the remember. Okay, and this one, did I give the right okay, this one has a gateway here. This one is good. Okay, it's good. This one has a copy, and I gave here this number, right? And this one has our this one, right? Copy, and here paste here. Okay, now see, These IPs we gave, right, for this, and this one we gave the IPs 5, right? It's easy to figure out. Okay, that's why I'm just writing here. Okay, this one has a 5 and this one has, I think, it's a 6, right? 6, copy, and this one has a 6. Okay, I put here, and this one has a 7, right? Okay, this one has 7, copy, and I put here 7. Okay, now let's try to ping from here to here. Okay, let's ping from this to this printer. Okay, can I print this one or not? So just for the go here, and just in a command prompt, right, and try to ping. Okay, ping 192.168.40.132, right? It should be ping. Let's wait some time. Is timeout one time. Timeout. Guys, here is little bit I have to change here, right? So here this laptop has what I gave. Here let's see first here. So I gave 1 right here. Gateway is 1. So same way I have to give here. The gateway is maybe wrong. That's why it's give the problem for me. So gateway is we have a ID is network is like in 129, right? So this is our first number. So this will go to the further our gateway, right? So 129. This is good now. And let me see the next one. Here also maybe I did some mistake here. Yeah, here 29, right? And here also maybe I gave I don't think so. We need here. Oh, here 129. Okay, now let's see. Let's try one more time. Okay, I will go here and network. I'm going to ping this 132. Okay, from here to here. Okay, let's see. Ping 192.168.40.132, right? This one, this printer. Can I dot 132, right? Let's see, ping is not. See, I can ping from this network to this network. I mean the marketing department to sales department. Okay, so that means this person, this laptop 01 person can print in this side also, right? Let's see, from here to here is ping or not. Okay, that means I'm going to ping from here to this person. Okay, ping 192.168.40.5. okay, see, I can ping. So that means this network is good right now, right? So we can ping both side, and see here this one. So each department has two PC, and I make one printer also, right? And switches and router I put there, right? Switches and router, this is router. And then using the network 192.168.40.0, right? This is I'm using right now. All the interface should be configured with the appropriate IP address, subnet mask, and gateway, right? We did that, right, just now. And all devices in the network should be connected using appropriate cable. We use the cable here. That's done. The test connectivity between marketing and sales department. The PC of the marketing department should be able to ping the PC in the sales department, right? Both sides we did that. So that means we configure both side everything. Okay, so this is like in a simple diagram, so in our networking. So in both side of like networks, how to configure this one. So I did that one. So let's see like a next one in next video. Okay, so for that, so if you have any questions you can ask me. So for right now, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.